Are you looking to integrate Bridge Connect with your 3CX system but feeling overwhelmed by all the configurations? Don't worry, I have got you covered. In this step-by-step guide, I will walk you through the entire process from setting up a Bridge Connect account to configuring SIP trunk and testing calls in 3CX. Whether you are an IT professional or a business owner managing VoIP solutions, this guide will make the process simple and seamless. Let's get started. Step 1 is creating a Bridge Connect account. First, we need to create a Bridge Connect account. This account will serve as your central hub for managing SIP trunk and VoIP services. So go to the Bridge Connect website. If you don't have the Bridge Connect account, you need to create one. To create one, click sign up. Fill the inquiry form with required business details such as telecommunication provider, ABN Asian number, addresses, etc. Once the inquiry form is submitted, Bridge Connect may contact you using the information provided or forward your contact information to a Bridge Connect partner or contact your IT provider to discuss about your telecommunication requirements based upon your conditions or requirements within 2 business days. So once everything is verified, you will have your Bridge Connect portal and you can log into your Bridge Connect portal with your details. The step 2 is adding a customer and setting up SIP trunk and DID in Bridge Connect. Now that our account is ready, let's add a customer. This step is crucial as it links our SIP trunk to a specific business or user. Navigate to the customer and click New Customer. After that, select customer account type to SIP trunk. Now enter the customer's details. For customer type, select business or personal as per your requirements. Enter Australian business number ABN or ACN and search, or manually enter your business entity details. Enter customer contact email and phone number and physical addresses. The address cannot be postal address. It should be the main location from which the service will be used. The information will be used in the integrated public number database, which is the emergency service address. Now set the credit limit for the customer. When the customer's balance reaches the set credit limit, this customer will be unable to use their services. The customer's balance is calculated by adding up all unpaid invoices, including not yet due, plus any call charges from the current billing period that are yet to be invoiced, and click Next. Review the information to ensure it is correct before creating a new customer. A welcome email will be sent to the provided email address. Now click Next. New customer account is created successfully. Now go to the newly created customer. Next, we need to add new SIP trunk for a newly created customer, which acts as a bridge between Bridge Connect and 3CX. On the Bridge Connect portal, click on the client that you created and go to SIP trunk and click Add New Trunk. Enter trunk details such as description and billing reference, etc. You will get the trunk ID and password. Keep a note of them as you will need them while setting up SIP trunk in 3CX portal or 3CX console. Now click Next and enter the address where this SIP trunk is located. This will be used in the integrated public number database, which is the emergency service address. Click Next. In the plan section, please choose the plan to be applied to the new SIP trunk. You can either choose pay as you go, which is the plan with no included calls, or you can also choose unlimited plan with unlimited calls. For this demo, I am choosing pay as you go plan. Now choose the line as per your requirements. You can see the different line option and the associated cost. For this demo, I have selected 2-line pay-z. After you select, click Next. Review the information to ensure it is correct before creating new SIP trunk. Finally, click on Create New Trunk. Now to add new DID, on the Bridge Connect portal, click on DID and click Add New DID. Select the direct inward dialing DID number as per your requirements and click Next. You can also add multiple DIDs if you have requirement. Hence, the SIP trunk and DID are added in the Bridge Connect portal. Step 3 is configuring SIP trunk in 3CX portal. With our SIP trunk set up in Bridge Connect, it's time to integrate it into the 3CX portal. Let's jump into the 3CX management console. You can also check the 3CX website for more details if you want. Now log into your 3CX portal or console with your details. Go to Voice and Chat and click Add Trunk. Now choose your country and SIP trunk VoIP provider. There are many VoIP providers in Australia such as Twilio, Bridge Connect, VoIP.ms, FlowRoute, etc. For this demo, I am choosing Bridge Connect as a provider. Now enter the name and default route. Select the default route to the user or a call queue or a ring group or digital receptionist or in call as per your requirements. Enter the main trunk number, which is the DID assigned in Bridge Connect, authentication ID, which is the SIP user ID, and authentication password. Now click Save to proceed. Once done, you will be redirected to the outbound rules. To set up outbound rules, you need to configure dial patterns for emergency, local, national, and international call as per your requirements. Now go to the call handling where you can set up ring group, call queue, and digital receptionist as per your needs. Step 4 is testing the SIP trunk connection. Before we wrap up, let's verify that everything is working perfectly. Go to the dashboard and check the system information, trunk details, licenses, firewall, etc. Also ensure the SIP trunk status shows registered or green ticked. You can create a user in 3CX portal, set it up on your 3CX app or IP phones, or log in to the web and make a test inbound and outbound call to confirm the connectivity. And that's it. You have successfully set up Bridge Connect with 3CX, allowing your business to make and receive VoIP calls seamlessly. Whether you are managing a small office or an enterprise setup, this integration helps streamline your communication infrastructure. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech guides. Have any question? Drop them in the comment. I would love to help. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.